So you've heard the Waiata Te Aroha now, and I'm going to explain what Te Aroha is talking about. Te Aroha. It is with love, te wakapono, and faith, me te rangi Māori e, and peace, tātou, tātou e, that you and I can share the same space together. Me honua, let us connect, ki te atua, to powers bigger and beyond us. Ka puta, ka ora, asking for well-being. Tātou, tātou e, well-being for us all. That's a quick explanation about what Te Aroha is about. The important part is working out where you can use it. Te Aroha is a waiata that is asking you and I to unify with love, with faith, and bringing peace to us all. So any circumstances where you think a waiata or a song is needed to help bring peace, faith, and harmony, this is a good waiata choice.